Another stream of speculation has been making its way online on social media and YouTubes and stuff, and questions that I get asked. Bitcoin's crashing, what's going on? And one thing is I notice is that everybody has theories. I think it's like a great pastime for the internet to speculate on the reasons why there's pullbacks and corrections or whatever you want to call them. And I think it's one of the perils of investing, because 90%, or let's just say 50% of all the speculation as to why Bitcoin or whatever cryptocurrency has had a pullback are wrong, and the other 50% is a correlation causation, kind of a mix up of really maybe being partially responsible, but not really. The reality is you can't really be a good cryptocurrency investor, at least day trader, unless you're plugged into traditional markets. Why is Bitcoin down? Why is crypto down? Well, tech is down. So for the same reason that the traditional stock market and tech as a whole is down, is the same reason Bitcoin is suffering. In the past 15 days, I've lost 6 figures in my traditional tech investments. Why? Well, because the same people that invest in tech are the ones that invest in crypto. Now, okay, the correlation is a little off, because for every 1% that maybe Etsy or whatever big tech company, Facebook, whatever you want to call it, goes down, crypto's going to go down 2-3% for every 1%. But the correlation is there. So when you ask, oh my God, Bitcoin's down, what's going on? Well, you got to look at the big picture, and that's a problem with a lot of people that are in this community, is that they're insulated, so insulated that it's like they live in a vacuum. That's why I talk about regular investments, and that's why, to some extent, for a long time, I pulled away from doing videos about crypto, because I didn't want to be too emotional about it. The best way to make money in the market is to invest and not speculate too much. And speculation comes from speculators. And most YouTubers and people online and social media, it's all about speculation, because they speculate with words about, well, maybe this, and they talk about things and nobody really knows. And when you absorb this information, it affects your decision making. It makes you behave impulsively, when crypto really is a long game. It's good to stay plugged into NFTs, DDTs, whatever you want to call it. But, steady investment over time is what's really going to deliver. And again, part of seeing crazy things happen, like with SHIB or some NFT or something that goes up 1,000, 10,000% in a week, are things that give you FOMO. You see that happen, you're like, Manancha America, I wasn't there. Maybe I just need to listen to more YouTubers. I need to be more plugged in to what's happening. Then I will be able to profit like that. And it's like, listen, just buy a little bit of what you like, steady, every week, every month, and hold for the long term. That's why everybody says buy and hold, because in the end, that is the way to go. Guarda, I've made money in crypto, but if I had bought, like when I bought ETH at $11, I put 40 grand in there. If I'd have just held that, I'd be better off than I was today, even with all the good trades and bad. It kind of evened out. Even the times was 400% a day, on those days I didn't put everything. If you put everything you had in those plays where you had 400% gains a day, well, of course, then I'd be ahead. But you always put a little bit on those plays. You don't put the whole thing. So in the end, you're not getting, I don't know if that makes any sense, but I'm just trying to be honest here with how things go. If people try to give you explanations, they're probably talking shit. They probably don't know what they're talking about. So don't take it too much to heart. Just stick with your plan. The important thing is your belief, your trust. I do believe that crypto investments should be a very strong part of your investment portfolio. And I think in the future, more millionaires and wealth is going to be created from digital assets and digital currency than it is going to be from traditional markets. I'm amusing myself by looking at my reflection of my eyebrows. But it really is. So if you're not investing, where are you investing? But at the same time, I don't know. I'm probably never going to post this video. But anyway, this is my ramblings for right now. It's down today. Lost a lot of money in crypto and in traditional markets. And I don't ever see anybody connecting those dots, talking about things, oh, well, the market is down in tech as a whole, like money's getting pulled. No, they always have some insider theory about some crypto. Somebody made some announcement. That's the whole reason. And I get it with crypto, things snowball, but Just gotta keep your head screwed on. Too many conspiracy theorists in crypto, huh? Manachal America. Why is it that? Why is so many people into conspiracy theories in crypto? I have a theory. I think it's because when crypto first started out, it was a pyramidish, like the way it goes up is you get other people to buy in, then the value goes up. And I think a lot of people that were like into Herbalife, other pyramid stuff, saw Bitcoin, or like, hey, this is the real deal, and got involved. I mean, maybe. Or it's the whole anarchy perspective of decentralized currency and anonymity, unregulated, away from the USD. I don't know. What is your thought? Why is it, maybe you're a conspiracy theorist, so you're like, oh, there's not a conspiracy theorist. And cool. Anyway, that's all I have to say. As always, buy red, sell green.